In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing vendor column in Shopify Admin. Start by logging into your Shopify Admin. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Products. This opens your product list where all of your items are shown in the table. In the updated Shopify Admin layout, only a limited set of columns is visible by default, so the vendor column may not be showing here even though the information is still available. Next, move to the top right area of the product list table and click the columns icon. This icon looks like three vertical lines. When you click it, a side panel opens. This panel contains the available columns for the products table. Each item in the list has an eye icon that controls whether that column is visible, and the list can also be reordered by dragging items up or down. In the columns panel, scroll through the list until you find Vendor. Once you see it, click the eye icon next to Vendor to unhide it. As soon as you do that, the vendor column appears in the product list right away. You do not need to leave the page or refresh anything for it to show up. If you want to change where the vendor column appears, stay in the same columns panel and click and drag vendor to a different position in the list. Moving it higher places it farther to the left in the table. This lets you place it where you want it in relation to the other product details shown on screen. After that, close the columns panel. You can do this by clicking anywhere outside the panel, or by pressing Escape on your keyboard. Then go to the top right and click Save. That confirms the column visibility and layout change for your product list. At this point, the missing vendor column has been restored in Shopify Admin. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now you should be able to see the vendor column alongside your other product information in the products table. The setting stays saved for your user account, so you will not need to turn the vendor column back on each time you return to the